Welcome to your Tech Logics. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the TrueView Wi-Fi Cube Home Security Camera. Whether you're looking to secure your home, shop, or office, this versatile camera is an excellent choice. We'll walk you through the steps of installing the memory card, configuring Wi-Fi, and setting up the mobile app, so you're fully equipped to maximize your security system. Let's start with the unboxing. Once you open your camera package, you'll find a variety of components designed for an easy setup. Inside, there is the cube-type indoor pan and tilt camera with the attached mounting plate, double-sided stickers and screws, a user manual, and a DC power adapter. These accessories are crafted to make installation straightforward, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, so you can quickly set up a reliable surveillance system with minimal effort. A standout feature of the TrueView camera is its high-quality imaging. This smart 2MP Wi-Fi Cube camera is equipped with a 4mm fixed lens, delivering crisp and clear video footage to capture every detail with confidence. Complementing its visual capabilities, the camera features an enhanced audio experience with a built-in high-sensitivity microphone and speaker, supporting half-duplex audio intercom for seamless, real-time conversations. Enjoy peace of mind at night with the camera's versatile night vision. It offers 3 distinct smart night vision modes, ensuring you always have a clear view whether it's pitch dark or low light conditions. Additionally, the camera provides ample storage options, supporting micro SD cards up to 256 GB and optional cloud storage, so your footage remains safe and easily accessible whenever you need it. Setting up and integrating the TrueView camera is simple and straightforward. You can connect effortlessly via Wi-Fi by scanning a QR code for quick configuration. It also supports Alexa, allowing for hands-free monitoring, and features an active defense system with sirens and lights to enhance security. With customizable customer voice alerts, real-time notifications through the app, and access via TrueCloud on PC and mobile devices, your security is truly in your hands. Plus, efficient H.264 compression ensures optimal storage and streaming without sacrificing video quality. Let's walk through the process of inserting your memory card into the TrueView Wi-Fi camera. While it's a simple task, following each step carefully will ensure your camera operates smoothly and reaches its full potential with minimal issues. First, make sure to power off your camera before proceeding. This important step helps prevent any damage to the camera or the memory card during installation. Although it might seem minor, turning off the device is crucial for a safe and trouble-free setup. Next, locate the microSD card slot, usually found at the bottom of the camera. Carefully insert your microSD card, ensuring it aligns with the orientation indicated by the nearby icons. For optimal performance, use a microSD card with up to 256 GB capacity, which can store approximately 10 to 15 days of footage depending on video quality and recording settings, whether continuous or motion-triggered. If you need to remove the card later, simply press it to release, then pull it out. Always verify that the card is seated securely to avoid data loss or recording problems. To download and install the TrueCloud app, start by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Type TrueCloud in the search bar at the top and look for the app developed by Warner India. Make sure you select the correct version. Tap on the app to access its page and press the Install button. Accept any permissions requested. The app will then download and install automatically, usually within a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app by tapping Open or by locating its icon on your home screen or app drawer. If you already have a TrueCloud account, simply enter your registered phone number or email address along with your password to log in. If you're new to TrueCloud, select the registration option and choose between email or mobile number registration. Follow the prompts to enter your details and complete the registration smoothly. During registration, you'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Check your messages for this code and input it into the app's verification field. Create a secure password to finalize your account setup. For easier access in the future, link your email address or mobile number to your account. The app may also request permissions for location services and Bluetooth, which help with seamless camera connection and operation. To begin configuring the mobile app for your TrueView Wi-Fi camera, first ensure that the camera is properly powered using the provided DC power adapter. This step is crucial, as a stable power supply is needed for the camera to operate effectively during the setup process. After connecting the power, give the camera a few moments to boot up and establish a connection to your network. Once the camera is powered on, listen for an audio prompt indicating that it is ready to configure the network. You should hear a message such as, "Please configure the network." This means the camera is prepared to connect to your Wi-Fi network and you can proceed with the next steps. Following this prompt, you can move forward by adding the camera to the mobile app for full functionality and monitoring. Make sure your phone is close to the camera and router during this process to ensure a stable connection. When ready to connect your camera, double-check that it is in network connection mode. If it isn't, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds until you hear a notification sound. The camera will then reboot, and you should hear the message, "Please configure the network," while the green LED begins flashing slowly, indicating it's ready for Wi-Fi connection and app pairing.
Please configure the network.
To add your camera to the TrueView app, tap on Add Device or the plus symbol. Then, select the option to scan a QR code or initiate Bluetooth pairing mode. Before proceeding, the app will request permissions for location and Bluetooth access. Make sure to grant these permissions to facilitate the setup process.
A device to be added has been found. Please click the Add button to add the device.
The app might also display a list of nearby searchable cameras. For this demo, ensure your location and Bluetooth are enabled on your mobile device to see the camera in the list. Since this camera model supports Bluetooth pairing, the app will automatically detect the nearest available camera and display it. Select the appropriate camera from the list and tap the Add button.
Please select 2.4G Wi-Fi.
The app will then prompt you to select your Wi-Fi network. Be sure to choose the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the camera only supports this frequency, then enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Next to continue.
Please confirm the Wi-Fi account password again.
Review the Wi-Fi credentials on the screen. If everything is correct, tap Confirm to finalize the connection.
Wireless settings, please wait.
The app will then configure the Wi-Fi settings on the camera, completing the addition process. The Wi-Fi setup generally takes just a few minutes. During this time, the camera connects to your selected Wi-Fi network and links with the app, ensuring it's ready for use and monitoring.
Network configuration failed. Please check the Wi-Fi password and reconfigure. Please configure the network. Wireless settings, please wait. Network configuration failed. Please check the Wi-Fi password and reconfigure. Please configure the network. Wireless settings, please wait.
If you encounter a connection failed or Wi-Fi password error during setup, try reconfiguring the camera. When prompted with the message, "Wireless connection failed," please reconfigure. Select this option to search for the camera again and restart the setup process. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is a 2.4 GHz network, as the camera only supports this frequency.
Automatically searching for nearby devices. Please wait. Please select 2.4G Wi-Fi.
Double-check that you have entered the correct Wi-Fi password to avoid errors and ensure a successful connection.
Please confirm the Wi-Fi account password.
After entering the correct Wi-Fi credentials, confirm your settings to proceed. The app will then begin configuring the camera with the updated network information.
Wireless settings, please wait.
Allow a few minutes for the process to complete. The camera will connect to your Wi-Fi network and link to the app, ready for operation and monitoring.
The wireless connection is successful.
Once the camera is successfully added to the TrueCloud app, you'll receive a voice prompt or notification confirming that the setup is complete and the camera is ready for use. The app also allows you to customize various settings, such as adjusting the date and time, selecting your preferred date format, and assigning a unique name to your camera. Additionally, you can set the camera's location to help manage multiple devices more easily, and access live streaming to monitor your property in real time from anywhere. During the initial setup, the app may prompt you to initialize the memory card installed in the camera, an essential step before recordings can begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to format or activate the card, ensuring it is properly prepared to store footage without issues. If you skip this step initially, you can check and complete it later through the app settings. After configuring the Wi-Fi connection and adding your camera, choose an appropriate location for installation to ensure optimal coverage. Proper placement is crucial for effective monitoring, allowing you to capture the desired area clearly and securely. Once installed, the camera becomes fully operational, offering live streaming and remote access through your smartphone or tablet. To verify the status of your memory card, open the camera settings in the TrueCloud app, navigate to the record list, and then select Storage Settings. If the card appears as uninitialized, tap on Storage Medium and then choose the Initialize button. This process formats the card for recording. Once completed successfully, the status will change to In Use, and the available storage capacity will be displayed. You can access your recorded footage by switching to the SD card storage view within the app. By default, the camera records motion detection or event-triggered footage, but you have the option to customize the recording mode to better suit your surveillance preferences. To review your recorded videos, tap the Playback button within the app and select SD as the storage location. This feature allows you to conveniently watch videos stored on the SD card directly from your mobile device. All these functions are accessible through the TrueCloud app, which operates reliably over both mobile data and Wi-Fi networks worldwide. This means you can monitor your property in real time whether you're at home, at work, or traveling abroad. For detailed guidance on adjusting settings and exploring more features, be sure to check out other segments of this video series, which offer comprehensive explanations. These tutorials are designed to help you maximize the capabilities of your security system and ensure your surveillance setup is tailored perfectly to your needs. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate your support. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions motivate us to create more informative content and continue providing valuable resources to our community. Every bit of support makes a difference, and we're grateful to have you as part of our audience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and updates.